Hi TPF families, my name is Michelle and I'm an intern with Autism Tree project, and today I'll be reading John Cena, Elbow Grease. Get out and play. Elbow Grease was inside. It was a rainy day. He did not like the rain. But his brothers loved to play in the rain. Splash! Yay! Elbow Grease was upset. He felt left out. Elbow Grease made up his mind. Here I come! Yay! Want to race? The brothers zipped through the leaves. Whoosh! Tank splashed through the mud. Splish splash. Look at me! Splish splash. Elbow Grease chase crash. Whoosh! The rain stopped. The sun began to shine. Uh-oh, he looks worried. Oh no, Elbow Grease still wanted to play. Look, puddles. We can splash each other. Elbow Grease splashed Tank. The monster trucks had a busy day of play. It was messy and fun. Hooray! Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.